There are many backpack sprayers on the market, and costs vary wildly, from cheap sprayers for under £30 to well over £100. But what makes a good sprayer? General robustness. Is the sprayer's main tank made from thick, tough plastic? Cheaply made sprayers will soon have holes in the tank. Is the lance tough enough? Cheap lances will soon bend or snap. User comfort. Does the sprayer have padded straps and an ergonomic shape? Can it be operated left or right-handed? Check for features that will improve operator comfort, especially if it's going to be used a lot. Clog resistance. Clog sprayers are annoying. Good sprayers will have several stages of filtration to avoid this. Does the sprayer have nozzle filters, pump filters, trigger filters, filling hole filter, internal agitators to avoid sedimentation? With all of these, a good sprayer will not clog regularly. Ease of filling. Is the filling point large with a cap that is easily removable when wearing thick gloves? Is the filling filter deep? These features will eliminate difficulty and spills when filling. Pump quality. Is the pump solid and well made? This is the part of the sprayer that does all the work, so quality is essential. Cheap pumps will soon fail and you will struggle to pressurise the tank. Accessories. A wide range of compatible accessories means the sprayer can be adapted for many different situations. This increases the versatility and value of your purchase. We hope you found this quick guide useful. Please call the Professional Sprayers people for more information on high quality backpack sprayers, granule applicators, powder applicators and other unique agrochemical distribution equipment.